Let us try to construct this network. Here there is a DNS server, a DHCP server and a web server. The web server is in the network 172.1.1.0. The DHCP and DNS servers, they are in network 192.168.1.0. There are two different networks. This router connects these different networks. These end devices receive IP and other information via DHCP. Our task is access the web server from all the PCs. Okay, the PCs receive the network information via DHCP. First, let us fix a server or web server. Its IP is 192.172.1.200. Mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, let us configure that. Configure, then interface, static IP. So IP is 172.17.1.200. 172.17.1.200. The mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay. Let us check the service HTTP. It is on. Let us edit the index file. Let us save this. Replace. Next, let us take a switch. This web server is connected to this switch 01. Okay. Then next, let us fix a router 2911. Let us connect the switch with this router 0 gigabit Ethernet 0. So this is 172.17.1.0 network. IP is Ethernet 0 is IP version 4 172.17.1.100. Okay, let's just check the picture. 172.17.1.100. mask is 255.255.255.0. 255.255.255.0. Okay. Okay, make this up. Okay, let us check, can this server ping with that router port. Ping 119.1.100. Okay, it can do this. Then let us construct the next network 192.168.1.0. Then let us take a switch. Okay, it has this much ports. Now let us connect this switch with the router gigabit Ethernet 1. Then let us connect two PCs in this network. Let's connect them with the switch. Next, in this network, we have a DNS server and a DHCP server. Okay, let us rename this server. This is our web server WWW. Next, let us fix two servers. One the DHCP and the other for DNS. Okay, let us rename this. This is our DHCP, the other one our DNS. Let's connect them with the switch. One 192.168.1.0. So this side we have to configure our router. This side IP 192.168.1.100. 192. Mask is 255. Okay, it is right. The default net mask of class C. So this side it is class C and this side web server it is class B network. So here this is the network ID. Okay, let us configure this DHCP server. Okay, first let us fix the IP. In the question, the DHCP server it is 192.168.1.200. Its mask is 255.0. Okay. DHCP server. So IP address is IP version 4. Mask is the default one. Then services DHCP is on. Then start IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, how many devices? Let us fix 50. 50 uses. Okay, in our question it is range is 192, 168, 1.12, 1.50. Okay, sorry, DHCP. So 50 users. Okay, then next let us configure our DNS server. Its address. Okay, let's check the address. Interface static IP version for 192.168.1.201 default mask service DNS address 1. Then our web www. This address is 172.17.1.200. Okay, I just check it. 200. Add it. Okay. Then coming to the router side, interface 1, 192.168.1.100. Let us check it. 1. Okay, interface. Let us make it up. Okay, now it is green. Next, coming to the PCs. PC1 is configuration DHCP. Name it is PC2. The DHCP. Okay, so there is a mistake in this DNS because okay, DNS we can't add this PC1 PC2 because we don't know what IP they are getting. DHCP, the IP is fixed, DNS IP fixed, then web server IP fixed. Okay, okay, 1.1. This got IP 1.2. Gateway it is 000. Still it is 000. Okay, let us check the DHCP. No need to give this values. DHCP static IP it is 200. Default gateway is 192.168.1.100. DNS is 192.168.1.201. Number of users 50. Okay, let us physically off this server and on it. This one is correct, but this one Once again switch off and switch on, switch off, switch on. Let us wait. Okay, now it is working. Okay, let us try to ping with the web server directly. Okay, let us see what will happen. Desktop command prompt ping. Since we are using the DNS WWW should work, but we are not getting output. Okay, let us check our web server. Okay, before that let us check whether this machine can ping up to the route. Ping 192.168.1.100. It is okay. Control C. Then ping 172.17.1.100. Okay. Then the issue is with the web server. I hope so. That is, packets are traveling from this PC to through this switch through the router, and it reaches the other interface. Okay. The issue is once the packet reach this web server, it has to generate a reply. Reply is for another network. Okay, so this doesn't know where to deliver it. That is, the source IP is address of this one, the web server, and the destination is 192. But this server is in 172.1.0 network. It has no idea about 192.168.1.1 or 2. Okay, so we have to give the gateway here. Okay, default gateway of web server, it is in 172.1.0 network. Its gateway is 172.17.1.100. Okay, so when it create the reply, first it should be delivered here, then here the router will pass to this line based on the destination address, then it will reach this PC. Okay, let us try the ping once again. Ping WWW. Okay, it is working. Thus, if we give ping WWW, it has the DNS information. It will contact the DNS and will get the IP. We have stored here as a table 72.17. The IP of the web server is 172.1.200. Okay, it is available with this DNS, and this DNS server gives the reply. Then it will generate packets with destination address 172.1.200. Okay, so the packet will deliver here, then here, this interface, then it will move to this interface, and finally it will reach the web server, and the web server will create the reply. In this reply, the source will be IP of this web server, and destination will be IP of the destination will be the IP of the machine PC2. So it is extended network, so this will be delivered here, then here it will be moved to this interface, then through this switch it will reach, the reply will reach the PC. Okay, let us try browsing. WWW. Okay, let us try it from here. Desktop, web, The name is WWW. Okay. Now the network is correct or working properly. When you try to ping with a web server or try to browse this web server, ping www from this PC1. PC1 doesn't know what is www or who is www. To generate packets, PC1 should know the IP of the web server. We have provided the DNS information. You know what is DNS? It is domain name service. It resolves the name to IP address. We have provided the DNS information to this PC1. So when it receives www, it will contact the DNS server by generating DNS queries. Then once it is reached at the DNS server, it will reply with the IP of www. Okay, we know it is 172.168.1.200. Now this PC1 can generate HTTP packets with source address 192.168.1.1 and destination IP 172.168.1.200. Then this packet is not for 192.168.1.0 network. It is for a different network. Okay, so it will be delivered at the gateway. Gateway of PC1 is this interface of router. Okay, so the packet will be delivered here. It will be moved to the next interface. Next interface belongs to 172.168.1.0 network. Then through the switch it will reach the web server. Okay, now the request packet, HTTP request packet, reach the web server. Now the web server start to generate the reply. Okay, for that the source address will be 172.168.1.200 and destination will be 192.168.1.1. 192.168.1.1 is a different network, so it will be delivered at the gateway of this network. Packet should be delivered at the gateway of the network 172.168.1.0. We have provided the gateway information to the server. It is 172.168.1.100. So this packet will move through the switch to this interface, and the router knows the packet is for 192.168.1.0 network, so it will be moved to the next interface and it will reach the switch, and finally it will be delivered at PC1.